Hi guys, today I'm going to show you VR Memory Keepers punch board. It's a very interesting instrument. I have added it to my crafts wardrobe and I'm going to tell you as I opened this instrument, it comes with a very small plate like this. It has all the measurements given here to make beautiful envelopes and more projects. You have instruction papers here also. It goes up to 15.2 by 21.6 and you have more bigger paper, you have more sizes here. So all the details are given in the papers and you have a small bone folder at the end on the side. So first let me tell you a very interesting way to make an envelope. I have taken here the size, the paper size 6 by 6. As you can see here, card size means the ready envelope that you're going to get. Paper size means the size of the paper that you're going to cut. And this is the scoring line. Here is a scoreboard mark where you're going to score. And this is the punch which will punch. So you don't need to cut your sides anymore in the envelope. So I have taken here 6 by 6 inches paper. So for this I have to score at 2 5/8. So I'm going to keep my paper here and put it to 2 5/8 and I'm going to just punch and score. To score, I'm just going to score like this. As you can see, there's a punch and a nice beautiful score line. The important thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to see the measurement only once in the starting. As I've kept here 2 5/8 and scored, the next time when you turn, you have to just follow the score line. So now the notch that you can see that's coming out here, you have to align it with your score line here, like as you can see I have done here, and you have to punch and score. Again turn, align with the score line, punch and then just score. Again turn, align, punch and then just score. As you can see, you will get something like this. All the 4 corners are being notched. Now what you have to do is simply the 2 smaller sides you have to just fold in and burnish, fold and burnish. You have to fold and burnish all the 4 sides. Just apply some glue on the edges and just stick it. So as you can see, your beautiful envelope is ready. The next project that I'm going to teach you is a very beautiful tiny little bow here. Without using any cutter or any scissor, you can make and decorate this beautiful bow. For this bow, you will be needing a strip of paper which is 1 inch by 7 inch. After you cut 1 inch by 7 inch, you have to keep it at 1.5 inch mark and punch. Next, you have to put at 3.5 and punch. After you have made a cut at 1.5 and 3.5, we are going to reverse the paper and again put at 1.5 and punch. Then again 3.5, punch. It looks something like this. Now on this side again we will keep at 1.5 and punch, reverse it, 1.5 mark, punch. Now the strip will look something like this. Now with this end we will place it in the center like this. This arrow should just touch the paper. You just eyeball and center it and punch it. See, you get a nice little end here. Same thing we will reverse and repeat. And punch. Now this will come like this. You take your bone folder and this two pieces, just lightly curve it like this to give a nice little shape, something like this. Now you need to hold this and the center together, and same, you just fold it out, fold this out. Now take the ends like this and just open this. It will look something like this. So we need to just stick at the back like this. We take a glue and just put some glue here in the center and just put the two pieces together. Now, after you put the two pieces together, your bow will take a shape. Now take a small strip of paper and we will just cover the strip. We are going to just cover the bow like this and cut out the extra from the back. And stick this. As you can see, the beautiful bow is absolutely ready. So there are a lot of uses of this envelope punch code. It's not only for an envelope. You can make a bow, you can make a small paper bag, cards. I'll come up with more projects in my next video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.